Hey guys, I'm Jamie from Sallie Tomato, and I'm going to make your life a little bit easier because some things in life just drive us crazy.
Who stole my charging wire?
Oh yeah, I'm sure many of you can relate, and that's why I created the Key Fob Cord Keeper. It's an extremely simple but very functional project that also makes great gifts. So go to sallietomato.com and download the template, and let's get started. All you'll need is an 11 by 2 inch piece of cork or faux leather so you can cut just what's needed. One 4.5 inch zipper with a pull, one Sallie Tomato key fob, and you will need a phone charger, standard size, typically 3 feet long. Place the zipper right side up and lay the main piece right side up on top of the zipper. Do it so the coil runs evenly up the middle of the zipper cutout. You can use tape to help secure the position. Make sure to extend the zipper about 1/4 inch on the closed side. This will help to avoid the pull from removal once complete. Sew the 3 closed sides of the main to the zipper. Fold in half with the wrong sides together. Line up the 4 angled middle pieces, but do not sew them. Sew down each long side, but do not sew the bottom yet. After sewing the long sides, it should look just like this with the bottom flap sticking out a little bit. The next step is to fold that bottom flap up and over the zipper, and then sew that down, creating the bottom. Stitch across the bottom, the top, and both diagonal sides, and this will secure the bottom nicely. Trim any thread as needed. Place the 3/4 inch by 2 inch strap about halfway up the back side of the cord keeper. Sew the short sides down. This will be used to just keep the wire ends tucked away. The next step is to put your charger cord inside, feeding the 2 ends of the cord out of the diagonal opening on the top of your Key Fob Cord Keeper. Once you get the 2 cord ends through the holes, hold the cord down with either clips, tape, or your finger and do the next step slowly, please. You want to sew across the zipper as well as the top. Another optional step is if you want to further reduce the hole sizes by carefully sewing the openings enough so that the cord will not easily pull out. And please do not sew into your cord. Make sure you have them pulled down and away from the needle. And the final step is attaching the key fob. Grab your pliers and make sure it's securely on. You can use a piece of fabric in between the pliers and the key fob to not bang up the hardware. And now your life is going to be a little more enjoyable because you will always have a charger. You're welcome, enjoy, sew them, make them for your friends, and make one for yourself. You'll be happy you did. Bye guys.